This is the Oraimo FREEPODS LITE. It is a budget earbuds that offers you decent audio quality at an affordable price. Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is I. Let's talk tech. This is the casing of the Oraimo FREEPODS LITE. Actually really lightweight and very compact. I really love it. It's a very decent earbud that you can get at an affordable price, either for your young ones this Christmas or yourself. Now let's start with the casing. It has this really premium casing that I really love. It also has this transparent design here. That is also a cool feature that I love. I really love the overall design of the FREEPODS, also especially the Oraimo logo written at the stem of the AirPods. Also the zigzag line gives me that feeling. Also I love it, the compatibility of the AirPods makes very much sense. So at the bottom we've got the Type-C charging port. IPX4 rating for water and splash resistant. AirPod is quite good and sharp. I love it. The audio quality is very decent. I love the overall look of this earbud. It really looks great and nice. Now to the pricing. The Oraimo FREEPODS LITE retails for just $13,400, approximately $17 to $20. You can check it out on their website or any other retail stores around Oraimo Sound app. You can customize your listening experience with the Oraimo Sound app. This allows you to add extra features to your earbuds and give them a more premium touch. The Oraimo Sound app allows you to perform several functions, including turning on your game mode for a fast gaming experience, tuning your earbuds to your comfortability, and a lot more. You can check out the Oraimo Sound app, a very great app to use along with the Oraimo FREEPODS LITE. These are the list of Oraimo AirPods that support the Oraimo Sound app. This is the Oraimo Sound app itself. You can adjust either to whatever suits you, and you can create a custom equalizer for your the colors. The Oraimo FREEPODS LITE has 3 variants of colors. This one I have here is the Phantom Black. That's this Phantom Black, the Nebula Blue, and the Ice Lake Blue. The earbuds perform really great and nice. One of the best earbuds I've ever used. It fits very well in your ears. Looks okay, nice and decent, and also very smart. One thing is always that when you adjust your ear tips, when you change your ear tips, they tend not to be very comfortable again. They tend to be quite heavy after you change the ear tips that come along with it to your desired one. They tend to be a little bit heavier, most especially the right earbud tends to be very heavy at times. Did I also forget to say that you get 40 hours of playtime according to Oraimo in the official website. Though I haven't tested it, I don't know if it's actually true, but you get something that's very close to that. Earbud case itself has 500 mAh battery, providing you an extra battery on the go. The earbuds has 40 milliamps each, enough at least to um power you up for at least a day, and you get my review of the Oraimo FreePods Lite. Peace out.